as we are evolving as a company, as we're getting closer to building and we're doing more designs and more people are contacting us with potential projects, we're finding new uses for the technology. And one example is with this church that we are in the middle of design for right now. Again, as far as we know, that's the first 3D printed church that has ever been done, and it's going to be right up here in Cottonwood, California, of all places. And we started the design work on it, and along the way, our architect reached out to a world-renowned acoustical engineer about designing the shape of the interior walls of the main sanctuary. So this acoustical engineer did so at a greatly reduced price because he wanted to be part of the first 3D printed church in the world, and came up with a shape of our interior walls that has articulations that are 6 inches deep and mimic curtains that are 20 feet tall. And according to that acoustical engineer, at least in the computer model, and the room will seat about 250 people, I believe. According to that engineer, when the pastor is up there giving his sermon, he probably won't even need a microphone and people will hear him perfectly because the room will be perfectly acoustically tuned right out of the print nozzle. And I've built some churches in the past before, and the sound control, the sound reinforcement is extremely expensive, and churches all have the same thing in common: there's never enough money. So now we can achieve that sound control with literally zero added cost. We just print the sound control right into the building. And so it's been fascinating. And so then my mind goes to other uses for now this newly discovered, like this factor. What if we can apply that into a factory setting that is extremely noisy and we can control the sound in the factory? Or what if it can be, I mean, the uses are endless. We can apply that even in homes, right? Why not make the nursery quieter, you know, print the home in such a way that we can control the baby crying noise. So it's right. I mean, the uses are endless. That's an exciting use for it as well.